Hello, I'm Chris. Welcome to another one of my amazing guitar tutorial videos, if I do say so myself. In this one, I'm going to show you how to play Messy by Lola Young. It's very simple, just 4 chords. So, first things first, we're in standard tuning, and we've got the capo on the 2nd fret. So, our first chord, from the capo, 3 frets up, 5th string, 3rd fret, and on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And where I'm using my palm to mute the sound, and then you strum that 3 times, maybe a bit louder, and then move your 2nd finger, the finger that's on the 2nd fret, you move that up 1 string. So now you're playing like a C major 7 shape, and you play that 5 times. So from the start, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you just slide the whole shape up 2 frets, and then do the same 2 chords again. Then slide it back, and it's basically that all the way through the song. You can hit the strings a bit harder to make it more expressive. You can experiment with how much your palm mute in it. That's entirely up to you how you play it, but those are the 4 chords. And I'm using all downstrokes. I know a few people ask in the comments about the picking pattern. I wouldn't worry too much about picking patterns, just worry about keeping in time. And there we have it, another one finished. Hope you find that helpful. If you do, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and please consider subscribing as well. Also check out some of my old videos. You might find a few songs you like in there. Anyway, thanks for joining me. See you in the next video. Bye.